Okay, let's do this. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the stream. Hello, Robos. Beautiful. So yesterday we never got any setup. So part of the game. Hopefully today we will have something to play around. All right. Hello, Simele, Abdi, Emmanuel. Welcome, guys. Welcome, guys. Let's do this. So I've already gone through my pairs. I've already updated my pairs. So today I'm looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, around 12 pairs. So if we start with gold, so I'm still looking to buy gold. The train has already left the station. Yesterday price just consolidated. So gold is not looking very good for London session. Moving on. GBP card, I'm looking to buy GBP card. We closed as a failed breakout yesterday. So we are also in consolidation. So nothing for us really here. Aussie card, the train has already left the station. So we just have to wait for a new train. GU, same as AUD card. I'm looking to buy, but price has already started moving, so no problem. And then the Swiss franc, Aussie Swiss franc. This is just consolidation. So for the buy pairs, they are not looking that great for the London session. And then now for the New York, for selling, now this is something that looks nice. So if we look at Aussie dollar, we are already in an uptrend. We are at the high. So, and we have our level here. So this one's looking good. This one is CAD JPY. So we have our high there. We have our low. And then we don't have any specific level apart from this one that has already formed now. But we have to wait for that candle to close bullish for us to have a level. The next level is down here. Yes, so that's not looking very good. AUD, JPY, we have our high there, we have our low, and then we have our level here. So not that interesting. USD JPY, we were looking to sell yesterday, but we never got a setup. Price broke out later in the gap time. And then in the New York session, price just continued going higher. So, yeah. And today, we might have a big sell-off. I don't know. But I'm still looking to sell. We have our high, we have our low. But basically, from the low to the high, we don't have any explosive pump. So what I'm seeing are just pins. These are just people are just getting trapped. Price is choppy. So choppy price, avoid that at all costs. EJ is looking nice. So we have the high, we have the low, which is also the low of the week. And then also EJ is looking a bit choppy. We have this level here, but this level also extends up to this area here. So yeah, that is not looking very good for us. And then NSD JPY is looking nice. We have a nice pump to the high, not choppy price action. We don't have any level per se. So yeah, the London session, even though we have a lot of pairs, they are not looking that great. The only pair that might give us any setup is Aussie dollar. And if we look at Aussie dollar, this is one of those price patterns that traps traders. So remember, yesterday we were talking about reversal patterns. So just because you have a level doesn't mean that price is just going to reverse because you have a level. You know, having confluences like reversal patterns is very important. So as I see here, this is price action still going up. So this is not very convincing. Even if price does break below my level, I will not take this trade until I see a reversal pattern. So yeah. All right, let's look at some questions. Please, which currency pairs are we watching for sale? So if you look at my screen, you can see we have on my watch list, we have buy and then we have sell setups. They have been categorized. So I think you can see that very clearly. All right, so we have Andrew Mpeli. When you mark levels, you mark the body of the candle or you include the wick? That's a good question. So yes, you include the wick because this is the thinking behind it. So if price does come back to this low, does not break out, breaks out but closes back inside, it will give us a wick like that. So this wick is a signal of rejection. So what you want to do when you have price pinning a level and does not break out, you extend your line to the low of that pin so that you accommodate the new rejection level at the pin. And then once price breaks below your pin, now you are in the clear. All right. Hopefully I've answered that one. And the point has reached home. Next question is, quick question. Japan 225 index did an FRD yesterday, right? What's the probable next play? All right, so I did look at it. All right, so you are talking about fast trade days. So my expertise right now is not on the fast trade day, fast green days. So yeah, when I backtested the fast trade day, fast green day, it was all over the place. It was not as consistent as failed breakouts. So I can't really say what the probable next play is because I really have no conclusive evidence to talk about fast trade days, fast green days. All right. So yeah. So basically, the only pair I am looking at is AUD USD. And yes, now I've backtested this pattern a lot and I've been stopped out most of the time when I trade this pattern. So yeah, I think this is a continuation pattern. There's a very high probability price will break out and then reach maybe this level before reversing again. So if we don't see a reversal pattern and price breaks below this level, I'm not going to take this trade because I have been punished countless times and I have learned my lesson. So the only price action reversal patterns I am looking at is Head and Shoulders, the Batman, and a wedge. So I want to see a falling wedge. No falling wedge, that is not a good pattern. All right. So if you have any questions, ask questions. Also, for those that are interested in the mentorship, so this week's mentorship will be ending tomorrow, and excuse me. So there'll be 5 spots open for next week. So I am taking in applications. So if you're interested, check out the link in Telegram. Let me send the link right now. All right. Ask questions. Ask questions, my guys. There was a guy yesterday who was saying I should do a live, like a Zoom call. So this is the same thing as a Zoom call. Ask questions, and I will answer them. So how much is your mentorship? Yes. So my mentorship is usually $549 for 12 weeks. But the guys who will be joining this week will be getting a discount. They'll be paying $199. So yeah, it's very expensive. It's not for everybody. So if you can't afford it, just ask questions here and I will still answer those questions. All right, gold analysis. Yes. So yes, I see we are looking to sell gold. Now, gold, if we look at gold, we are looking to buy, not to sell, to buy. So we see that price has already started buying. And so this means that the train has already left the station. So yeah, I don't like chasing trades. So unless price comes back to the low, then I don't see myself trading gold today. Can you please do US 30? All right. US 30. US 30, I don't have any. Yes, US 30, I don't have a signal. So yesterday price broke out, closed outside of the range. Yeah, so I don't see any, I didn't have a weekly signal. So I'm not looking to trade US 30 today. All right, what is AUD USD doing? Yes. So yes, now. So all right, thank you, sir. All right, beautiful. So if there is no any other question, yeah, I don't see any other pair. So let me just confirm. So gold, no setup. GBP card, no setup. AUD card, no setup. These are just trend continuation setups. GU looking to buy, no setup. And Aussie Swiss franc, no setup. AUD USD, this one is a continuation setup. I've seen it so many times. So still no setup there. Now, for me to trade this setup, I would like to see price come back to this level, then get rejected, then come back to this level again. Then now there I might take a trade. But if it just breaks out right off the bat, then I know that is a trap for me and I am not ready to get trapped. So no setup there. CAD JPY, I'm looking to sell. We have no setup yet. AUD JPY, we don't even have a level yet. USD JPY, nothing. All right. Now this one is very interesting because this might give us, I forgot. Yes, we might see a good, this might continue going down, but I am not willing to play around this area. This is a rejection area, and no, I'm not ready to play with this one. Yep, I'm not ready to play with this one. In NSD JPY, all right. So this has a potential of actually going down. So this is the only one that looks like it will continue to the low, but that is a very risky move, a risky play. And then now AUD USD. All right, Euro USD. So where is Euro USD? All right, here you are. So Euro USD, I don't have a signal. Price broke out, closed outside of the range. So I am not looking to trade this one. Now I see it's very funny because when you start seeing these big moves, this is when a lot of traders get trapped. But yeah, this looks like a nice move. We had a level here. And then price broke below that level. And then price has reached the low of the day. And judging from the way it has moved, we can still see 3 more. So this is the first push. We can see a second push and the third push. Yeah, there's a very high probability price will continue breaking down in Euro USD, but it's not in my playbook. So yeah, that is just my thoughts. But if it's not in my buy or sell category, I avoid it like a plague. Yes, congratulations, Bob. You know your levels. It's very hard. It's very hard for you to actually lose trades randomly. So yes, congratulations, Bob. You got something from Euro USD. All right. So how did the candles close on Aussie dollar? Yeah. So let's just wait and see how this one plays out. All right. So I don't see any other thing that is interesting for me. Following your setup and playbook is key. I took an EU sell yesterday from London into the New York session. Free cash Wednesday for me. Obviously, that's true. If you have a playbook, stick to your playbook, regardless of what other people say. Because, yeah, nobody really knows where the market is headed. You just have to stick to your rules. The rules give you money. So, yeah, I'll end this stream here and I'll keep an eye on Aussie dollar. Then, if we have anything interesting later in the New York session, I'll see you guys then. So hopefully today we do have some nice free cash Thursday. All right, have a beautiful trading session. Good luck. I'll see you guys later.